In this video, we're going to strengthen our edges by using our Lavender Castor Seed Hair Oil. Simply take a little bit of the oil and drizzle it around the edges of your hair. Massage that oil in well to the edges of your hair and just watch over the period of time how little hairs will start sprouting in between your parts. The consistency of the lavender castor oil is like syrup. It's nice and thick, and it conditions your scalp real well, and it softens your hair. Drizzle castor oil in the crown of your head, massage it well, and enjoy the softness of your Sisterlocks. I usually use the castor seed oil when I want to lay my edges down. And because my hair is so curly, it just relaxes the curls a little bit. But if you have straighter textured hair, you will not need hair gel. Castor seed oil is thick and it's a vegetable from the castor bean. Now you can eliminate your drying edge control and use castor seed oil. Enjoy!